Okay, so now we're going to draw a house. And then we'll also show you, I guess, a building and a store. So a house, very simply, is again square, rectangle, and I'm just going to draw a very standard sort of house, small house. Door. Not complex like a lot of houses you see these days. To me, this represents a home, so just put a doorknob on the door. Could have a chimney, sort of thing that you see in a lot of kids' books, just a simple house. The other thing I like to do is just add curtains. Sometimes I guess done like this, but it gives you the idea of tiles. Maybe you do some smoke coming out the chimney. So there you go. There's a house or a home. Let's just shrink all those down. Actually, what I'll do is just start a new layer, and then we'll draw a building. So this is more what I use for corporate, like big buildings. Simplest way to do it. Just a big square like this, rectangle, sorry. Then draw lines across it. If you need to do different buildings, you can do them in different ways. Then draw like a door. And put mostly glass. And to give it scale, I like to usually put some trees. So then you sort of know that it's quite a large building if that's the top of the trees. Also, you can do denote, like what type of building it is. You just go with the theme I've been doing. Just put your brand up the top. So there you go. That's a corporate building. The other way you can, I guess, denote different buildings is do the same thing, but go down the way. And this is where, like, looking around you and seeing what's actually there can help with your drawing, because you see that there's different sort of ways that in a different architecture and how that impacts stuff around. Can also do things like this. Or another way of doing windows is just thicker sort of. Now these buildings. You see that in cartoons as well. The final way that I sometimes depict buildings or corporate buildings is to make them a bit 3D. Again, looking at the trees. Different way of drawing trees. So that's a building. And then the way that I make things just a shop or a shop front is essentially draw the building again, but just add something to it to make it look, to denote a shop. So again, might have a sort of rectangle, square. You would then do something like that. And tend to make the bottom floor look like all doors open to the public. And then just add a big sign. might be one of the things I find is if you get good at sort of being able to copy Legos, not that that's a copy of the Lego, but then you just put that on anything and people go, oh, yeah, you're depicting that store. Here's a couple of practice ones. On to the next one.